Sometimes in Outlook we want to search for a particular email either by the sender's name or by the subject matter in the email. The way we would do this is we would go up top and click on Find, and then we can set certain type of criteria with what we would tell Outlook to search for. So what I'm going to show you how to do is to create a search, and we're going to save the search. So anytime that you want to conduct the same search, let's say periodically you like to see which emails have been returned and have not been read. So you can create a search, and all you have to do is click on it. You don't have to continuously go into the menus and create all these parameters. So let me show you how to do that. First, we're going to go into Options, and I'll show you how to we'll create our search, and then we'll save it. So we go into Options and Advanced Find, and when we click on Advanced Find, what we'll do is we'll set our criteria. Let's say we're going to search for the word returned, and that will be in the subject line, because when we get an email that's returned from the recipient, for some reason it didn't get to him, that's one of the words that is in the subject line. So I'm going to create that. Going to Find now, and we'll conduct the search, and we see that we turned up 2 emails that were returned for service unavailable. Now this search, I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it as a folder, and it's going to appear on my taskbar on the left. I'll call it returned and hit OK. And we see here that now I have in my search folders, let me close this window, and we see here on my search folders I have a folder called return, and now when I click on that folder it automatically does my search, and now I have the emails that came up from the return search. So that's how we save searches, and it's much easier than to go into the parameters every time.